Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's been far too long yet again, but I finally got the Cadillac put back together. Took it for a drive today, and now I'm going to share everything I did with you and maybe get some video of trying to hit the switches. So on our way out to look at the Cadillac, I wanted to show you the 510. We had a real big freeze, and the I was running water wetter as coolant instead of antifreeze, and that froze up when we hit -11 in the shop a couple months ago. Fortunately, got away with it. The engine's not hurt. Everything still runs great. I put a new battery in the car, and since then I've gotten to take it to a couple local shows and meets. But on to the Cadillac. So last you saw, I had just gotten it. The trunk setup was hammered. A lot of broken welds, a lot of leaks. Running 8 batteries and 2 pumps, but yeah, lots of neglect and wear. So rewired everything, replumbed everything front to back. Right here you can see 4 switches. So we've gone to a 3 pump setup. We've got 1 switch for front, and then 1 switch for both rears, and then 1 switch each for left rear and right rear for 3-wheeling. Also did a separate little plug out to a cable with a single switch, so you can get outside the car and hop the front if you want to. So yeah, let's move into the trunk. Basically, I pulled everything out down to the main like frame that's tied into the factory chassis. Made some panels to hold the batteries, and hold the pumps, and everything. Everything all bolts into that understructure, but just a little cleaner. Hides all of the factory trunk floor, which was pretty beat up and crusty. New wiring, all 1/0 gauge cable with copper lugs. All new plumbing, 3 Pro Hopper pumps. There's LEDs under the behind the twisted images cut out. Anyway, enough about the setup. Let's hit some switches. Let's show you guys what this thing can do now that it's wired and plumbed properly. So, yeah, needless to say, I'm stoked. We went from this disaster in the trunk to yanking it all out, cleaning it up, soaking up all of the oil that had leaked everywhere, and basically rebuilding everything, learning how to wire and plumb hydraulics and make everything work the way it's supposed to. And super stoked so far. Got a lot to learn on hitting switches, and I'm sure there will be maintenance and everything, but it's been a journey. Thanks for watching.